Alright, so boom, welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios, and I know y'all like to see me do slap fighting competitions, but I ain't never seen a competitor who look like they need medical attention before they even been slapped. Just look at this man's face. Buddy looked like the poster child for stroke survivors, silver medalist of the Down Syndrome Olympics, mathematic equation, rise over run, left side of his face sloping downwards. Just look at the concern on the face of his opponent. Mans did not sign up for this competition to possibly take on the disabled. Now I know I'm not supposed to judge a book by its cover, but if an author titled their masterpiece, I Murder People by the Sevens, wouldn't you assume that they're a serial killer? This dude looks like he's a victim. He has no business being in this sport. Shades of Anderson Silva in the octagon post 2014. It's time to retire, buddy.
Whatever, I'll do what I want.
What's wrong? Where's your strength? Where is your pride?
It's time to put the hand down. Buddy slapped his opponent and he laughed in his face. It's one thing to step into the competition with your face looking like you're a victim of an allergic reaction. It's another thing to have your opponent laugh at your best shot. I have no confidence in this man. First off, Buddy behind the victim out there with a head that's shaped like a Cyberman. Don't try to hide, we see you. I know a seed of Planet Vegeta when I see one. Buddy getting ready to turn green any moment now. Somebody hide Yamcha.
He's dead. I think he's dead.
Already? Nevertheless, look like drooping face Poppy's gonna continue the battle.
Oh, that shit weak.
Now homie's starting to get disrespectful. Last time he laughed, now he giving up thumbs for moral support. Just stop the fight right now. It's getting too disrespectful. Wait a minute, did some cotton just fly out of his ears? What kind of Emancipation Proclamation combination was this? This man's chin is like the boulder in the front of the tomb of Jesus before Resurrection Sunday. He refuses to be moved. Look at the side of his face. Those dots are lacerations of the cheeks. Man's about to start bleeding.
Yahoo! Bingo! Ho ho ho!
Hey, what's that Pokemon?
Metapod used Harden just before the slap. That's gotta be a violation. But can you blame him? Half his face is damn near in his neck.
Come here.
But how do I stop it?
This gotta be like trying to penetrate Lizzo from behind with a micro penis. You're not making any progress. Just look at Buddy's cheek. Looking like 6 mosquitoes was murdered on top of his zygomatic bone.
Here we go!
His only damage was removing the cotton from the left ear, and still, this mammoth of a human being took no damage.
It's my turn!
At this point, is there any rounds in this particular competition? Because usually you'd slap each other about 5 times and it's over. These motherfuckers been going at it about 17 different rotations. Heavens to Betsy, his face is drooping further downwards than it was at the beginning of the competition.
What?
Well, I'll be damned. After several slaps, damage was finally starting to break through. The mammoth might be concussed. Man's brain bouncing around like Brittany Renner in the 2010s. His forehead hot, ears ringing louder than Tom Brady in February. But he'd refused to quit, and clearly this man's face needs some treatment. The epidermis is beginning to peel. That's how much damage he's taken here today. If he don't win this fight, was it even worth it?
And as you can see, I am not dead.
Did he just jump into the slap? Man's got airborne in an effort to win this competition. This must be some sort of Kumite-style championship match because they're not allowing it to go to decision. You must win when somebody quits, or even worse, if they die. Oh shit, the Cyberman is still here, but look at this man's face. Another location on his cheek is beginning to open up. His face is so swollen, it looks like he's chewing a fetus with the left side of his teeth. The top of his head is beginning to swell up, all while sporting a Vegeta-esque hairline. Just stop the fight.
I guess not.
It appears Mans was hit with a clubbing blow instead of full palm. Either these dudes have a terminal illness or they trying to get one. Sporadic CJD got to be on the way, because look at the damage that was done. Straight wrist to the top of this man's head. Hit him in the temple, and we ain't talking about Zelda. I don't know how many times I have to reiterate, reverberate, regurgitate what the man's face looked like, but he looked like he just spent all night getting high on the supply of Tony Montana. This man's cheek's starting to get a bit swollen as well, but given his opponent's facial condition, does this even look like he dealing with any problems? Now I'm too invested into this competition. I need to know who wins. It's over, bruh. His brain is fried. There's no way he could keep fighting. His face is 50% swelling. There's no way he'll be able to walk out on his own power. These Russians are wildin'. Either somebody gotta get knocked out or tap out, or we gonna keep going till the sun goes down.
What's the matter?
It hurts.
I quit.
What? Ain't no way! Oh my god! The drooping face man won!
Declaring the winner by knockout and new undisputed heavyweight champion of the world.
This droopy face motherfucker. I can't believe it. I'm shocked. Look at his head. I would be willing to bet my life savings, and it ain't much, that this dude would have entered this fight and lost, but somehow he's walking out the world champion. Hard work pays off. Dreams come true. Bad times don't last, but concussions do.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm. Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.